In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Zoho People. We'll walk through the quickest way to add a new employee using the minimum number of clicks so you can get people into your HR system fast and with less confusion. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen and why each step matters, so even if you're new to Zoho People, you can follow along confidently. Once you're logged in to Zoho People and you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see an icon labeled Quick Actions, usually represented by a plus sign. This is your shortcut menu for creating new records without digging through different modules. Go ahead and click that Quick Actions plus icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with several options. From this list, choose the option labeled Employee. This tells Zoho People that you want to create a new employee record, rather than something like a job opening or a timesheet entry. Select Employee to move to the next screen. After selecting Employee, you'll see an option that says Add Employees. Click on Add Employees to open the form where you'll actually enter the person's basic information. This is designed to be simple, so you can get someone into the system quickly without filling out every possible field. On this form, just follow the prompts that appear on the screen. Zoho People will typically ask you for key details like an employee ID, first name, last name, and an email address. Take a moment to make sure you enter these accurately. The employee ID helps you track them uniquely in your system. The first and last name are used across the platform in things like attendance, approvals, and reports. The email address is especially important since it may be used for login invitations and notifications. If your organization uses a specific format for IDs or emails, make sure you follow that format here. Double-check spelling before you move on, because fixing names and IDs later can be a bit more tedious, especially if the record has already been used in approvals or reports. Once you've entered all the required fields and you're satisfied that everything looks correct, go ahead and click Finish. Zoho People will save the new employee record and, depending on your setup, may trigger any relevant workflows like welcome emails or onboarding tasks. And that's it. You've just added a new employee to Zoho People using the quickest path available.